Thousands of people quit their jobs for affiliate marketing. Most of them made almost nothing. Here's the truth nobody tells you.
Jordan, straight up, is affiliate marketing actually a scam?
The honest answer? Parts of it operate like one. Not the whole thing, but enough of it that you need to understand exactly what you're getting into before you post a single link.
Okay, because I keep seeing people online saying they make thousands a month just sharing links. That sounds too good to be true.
It usually is. And the people saying it are often making money from telling you how to do affiliate marketing, not from actually doing it. That's the first red flag right there.
So who actually benefits from affiliate marketing?
Primarily, the product owner. Think about it. They get thousands of bloggers, influencers, and YouTubers all promoting their product. No upfront ad spend, no marketing salary. They only pay when a sale happens.
While the affiliate does all the work for free until something sells.
Exactly. You're building their brand, driving their traffic, and taking all the risk. They have a free army of marketers. You have zero guarantee of income. That power imbalance is built into the model from day one.
Okay, but at least when someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. That part is reliable, right?
Not always. Here's one that will genuinely shock you. Someone clicks your affiliate link on their phone. Let's say it's a hotel booking site. Before they can book, the site says, "Open in our app for a better experience." They tap yes.
And the tracking disappears.
Completely. The browser cookie that tracked your referral cannot follow them into the app. The app has no idea your link existed. They book the hotel. The company makes money. You get nothing. And this isn't a glitch. It's actually in the company's interest to push users to the app because it converts better and costs them less in commissions.
So they're literally redirecting people away from your tracking on purpose.
Whether intentional or not, the result is the same. Your commission vanishes.
What about when someone does book through your link properly? Is that commission safe?
Not if they cancel. Say someone books a hotel through your link. Commission is showing in your account. Then they cancel a week later and rebook a different hotel directly, without clicking your link again.
The first commission gets clawed back and the second booking pays you nothing.
Zero. And travel has some of the highest cancellation rates of any niche. People change plans constantly. So what looks like a commission-rich space is actually one of the most unreliable ones to build income in.
Are there other ways commissions just disappear?
Two more big ones. First, cookie expiry. Most affiliate programs give you a window of 7 to 30 days. If someone clicks your link today but buys 31 days later, nothing. The cookie expired. You did the work, you built the trust, you sent them to the site, and someone else's window got the sale.
And the second one?
Last click attribution. Most programs only pay the affiliate whose link was clicked last before the purchase. So imagine, you write a full review, the person reads it, clicks your link, goes away, thinks about it, then a week later clicks a different affiliate's link on another site and buys. That other affiliate gets the full commission. You get absolutely nothing, despite being the reason they were interested in the first place.
So you can do everything right and still lose the sale to someone who just happened to be the last link they clicked.
That is exactly how it works. And most beginners have no idea until it happens to them.
What about people who do build up a good income from it? Is that income secure?
This is the one that keeps experienced affiliates up at night. You can spend 2 years building an income around one program and then wake up to an email saying the commission rate has been cut in half, or the program is shutting down, or they've decided to ban your niche. It happened with Amazon in 2020. They slashed commission rates overnight. Affiliates making 5 figures a month lost half their income in 24 hours.
And there's nothing you can do about it.
Nothing. You don't own the program. You don't own the relationship with the customer. You own your content, and that's it. Everything else can be taken away without warning.
After all of that, is there a version of this that genuinely works?
Yes, but it looks nothing like what's being sold online. It works when you pick a very specific niche with a real audience. It works when you choose programs with recurring commissions. Software is the best example. So one customer pays you every month, not just once. It works when you diversify across multiple programs so no single company can wipe you out overnight. And it works when you build an email list, because that's the one asset you actually own.
So the people who actually win at this, what separates them?
They treat it like a real business, not a side hustle. They understand the tracking gaps, the cookie windows, the cancellation risks, the platform dependency. They build around those weaknesses instead of pretending they don't exist. Exactly. The people making real money from affiliate marketing aren't the ones who believed the hype. They're the ones who understood the game, including all the ways it's stacked against them, and played it anyway, smartly.
So if someone watching this is thinking about starting, what's the one thing you'd want them to know?
Stop asking, how do I make money with affiliate marketing? And start asking, what problem can I help people solve consistently for the next 2 years? Because if you can answer that second question, the money follows. If you can't, no affiliate program in the world will save you.
And is affiliate marketing a scam?
The model isn't, but a lot of what's built around it, the courses, the gurus, the copy my system promises, that's where the real scam lives. Learn the difference and you'll be ahead of 90% of people who try this.
Honestly, that might be the most useful thing anyone said about affiliate marketing on the internet.